Hello everyone, Mike Mixon from Keyboardamerica.com here in Lewis Beach, Delaware. Welcome to this week's Genos Tyros Song of the Week and Buttons class. Now this is going to be easy song for you to do, a lot of fun. We're going to be hearing the articulations of the electric guitar, which is really cool. And of course, if you're in my book bundles, really pay attention to the video, watch it a couple times and watch the left hand exclusively and then the right hand with what I'm doing in there sometime. Now here's a first, we're not changing OTS. Now the OTS settings that are in here are absolutely perfect, and that's on both Genos and Tyros. So I won't be emailing you, well I will be emailing you the setting with the title of the song in it. Just so you have that and put it into the proper bank, and we'll get into that in a minute. Now, pay attention to the chords and the fingering and how my fingers move in the left hand. If you're in my book bundles, you are going to learn how to play chords fast, easy, and professionally. And when we take a close look at the music for you guys that aren't in the book bundles, pay attention to the chord changes I've made when I show you the first page of the music, because they're dramatic. They're completely different. But learning how to play chords is the biggest thing. Your Genos and Tyros will make you sound great with the styles and settings that are in there. So we're going to take a quick look real quick at the music before we get started so you can see what's going on. And of course, we're going to actually put this in a different bank. We're going to get away from bank 10 because there's a couple songs that I duplicated in banks. So this one's gone into a unique bank for all you guys out there. So let's listen to the music for Since I Don't Have You. Okay, so first things first, this one's going into bank 4, registration 1, and it's in bundle 2. Now, we're going to use intro 3, variation B, first time through, variation 3, second time through. Remember the red notes on my custom chords here, you hold those fingers down to get to the next chord, and that's going to make you learn how to play chords like a pro without thinking about it. This is a lot of work doing this, but it does work out really, really well. If you're not in the book bundle and you have this in easy play, the D minor isn't there, and there's a lot of chords here that I've actually moved around, so you can get a quick look here at page 1 so you can kind of figure out how to do that. Okay, this is a great 50s rhythm. It's 6/8 slow rock on both Genos and Tyros. And like I said, the OTS settings are good, so we do not have to change them. Okay, we'll take a look here at the settings anyway. On OTS number 2, we have the Euro percussion, organ, and organ pops. And the volumes are correct, so you don't have to worry about that at all. On OTS 3, there's a 60 shadow lead guitar. Volume's right on that at 100, and on OTS 4 we've got Keno strings natural, Keno strings warm VC, Keno strings slow. And like I said, you don't have to change OTS at all. This is going to be great. Okay, so I'm going to push number 1 registration, and we are in bank 4 here, so that was a correction I made, and I'll be sending you guys the new bank out there as well, but you just have to put this style into bank 4, registration 1. And I had a duplicate there, and I have one more duplicate to fix here, so we're going to get to it. So let's take a listen real quick to Since I Don't Have You, and we're going to focus in a little bit on the chords and the right hand for this particular song. Okay, so here we go, and let's let the Genos and Tyros do most of the work. Since I don't have you. Okay, so let's watch the chords a little bit. F to D minor to B flat minor. You're holding to go to the C7. Hold the C to go to the F. G minor again. B flat minor to C7. So you can see the fingering here really makes it nice. Now, retraining your brain for those fingers, it's a little challenging, but it is fun. And if you pay attention to my Shortcuts Like a Pro and get the book bundles, you'll get all those notes you're supposed to hold down in red. Hey, was that a fun song or what? I want to talk about the book bundles a little bit out there, because I know some of you think they're a little pricey, especially going overseas. But when you consider a private lesson is $30 a half hour, and I'm putting hours into these songs, this is a private lesson each week for a song. Even if you bought all 3 book bundles, even if you're overseas and pay the shipping, it is actually about the same amount as taking lessons for a year from a private teacher. And that's with all 3 bundles. And that's what you're getting. So it is a value, because we are now, you know, up to year 4 of me teaching, and we're on 3 bundles. So it's a lot of fun. And remember, Christmas is around the corner. So you can ask your other half for a great Christmas present that you can use all year. And I don't promote these to make money, because believe it or not, music, there's not a lot of markup in it. Kathy goes through a lot of work getting these bundles out. Plus you're getting all my custom styles and settings and OTS settings, and your keyboard is all set up. And you just take weekly lessons. So it's a lot more fun with all 3 bundles. And I wanted to bring that up now with Christmas coming closer. Now in November, we are going to do a special Song of the Week featuring the Mummers from the Philadelphia's Mummers Thanksgiving Day Parade. If you don't know who the Mummers are, you will find out in November when I do this song. And this is a suggestion from Hey Len in Florida, Port St. Lucie, who is getting his Genos, I think, tomorrow or the next day. And he's got his Tyros for sale on our website. So if you're looking for a deal, then go to our website. Now, the last thing I want to talk about is going to my videos. It is very imperative that you go to my video lessons page instead of just going to YouTube. There are so many videos there. I get emails from, how do I do this? How do I do that? And the video's right there. And because I have so many videos on YouTube, they're hard to find. So go to my Genos Tyros video lesson room at least once a week to see what you want to learn. And I'm doing a really important video coming up this week. And thank you, Len, for being a great customer. And I think this is your 3rd keyboard from us. I'm not sure. I can't remember. I know we had at least 2. And thanks for the suggestion about the Mummers Day Parade. And we're going to be using the ensembles in the Genos. So this is going to be a great video. And thanks to Len out there. I appreciate it. So until next time, this is Mike Mixon saying have a great day. Keep playing and see you soon.